Not holding this wallet? No problem at all. I've got you completely covered right now. Let me walk you through one of the smoothest, low-key ways to launch a token. Cash out big and leave with bags so full your group chat won't believe it. Before we jump into this absolute crypto goldmine, here's a quick reality check. Where you launch your MemeCoin can either light the fuse or kill the vibe. Forget pump.fun, delete that from your playbook and never look back. First, open up Photon, switch on the pump.fun filter and brace yourself for chaos. You're going to see waves of coins like Doge 2, SHIB King, and a flood of other random garbage appearing non-stop. Let's be honest, most of these coins vanish before you even know they exist. Pump.fun is a graveyard for meme coins, a dumping ground for lazy launches with zero staying power. Now it's time to get serious. Head over to Raydium and turn on our filters. What do you see? No trash, just clean, high-quality plays. Only a few new listings every couple of minutes, and the volume? Absolutely wild. These coins actually pump because launching here isn't easy. It requires effort, skill, and a bit of tech knowledge. That's exactly where we come in. I'm about to show you how we take that higher standard and flip it into real profit. Say hello to BitLixSol, your all-access tool for seamless Raydium launches. Forget about clunky setups or coding stress. BitLixSol makes launching a token as easy as 2 clicks. No confusion, no extra steps, just pure simplicity. Here's what I did. I grabbed a game character pic off Google. Those always work for me. Quick tip, open Canva. Set a frame to 128 by 128 pixels. Drop your image in, clean up the edges, boost the sharpness if needed. Then we need to create public view link. After, simply copy it. And boom, your MemeCoin logo is done. No designer, no budget needed. Let's launch. Open up the BitLixSol launch page. Pick the Phantom wallet you're using and approve the permissions. It's quick and simple. When the setup fields appear, type in your token name and symbol. Both are required. No skipping that. You can also throw in a fun little description if you want. Mine said, Steve just entered the MemeCoin universe. Pretty fitting, right? Upload the logo you made in Canva, hit next, and now you're on the financials page. Look, I know it might be tempting to mess around with the numbers, but seriously don't. The default settings are already optimized for MemeCoin launches. Keep it simple, save yourself the trouble, and just click Next. Now here comes the important part, the Revoke Authority settings. You want to leave all of these turned on. It shows buyers your token is clean and safe. If you disable any of them, people will see it and instantly assume you're planning a rug. Don't raise any red flags. Keep them on. Click Launch My Token. By the way, guys, while you're waiting, jump into my Telegram. There's a one Sol giveaway happening soon, and you definitely want in on that. Right now, we just need to confirm all the transactions. The total cost to create your token is around 0.6 SOL. You might see a warning pop up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. It's only there because the site is still new. Just click I understand and proceed. You're almost done. And boom, you're live. You'll get a success message with a full breakdown of your token info. Scroll down and click the last field. That's the direct link to SolScan. It lets you watch everything happening with your token transactions, holders, volume. Always double check here, better safe than sorry. Now let's set up your liquidity pool using BitLixSol. Start by copying your token address from the summary page, then click on Create Liquidity Pool. This will open up Raydium automatically. Make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. If it's not, go ahead and do that now. Paste your token address into the base token field, then type in your token's name and symbol. After that, hit Add User Token. Set the max supply to 1 billion, but only load in 900 million. Pick Sol as your quote token, click Max, and lower the price by 0.2 Sol to cover the fees. I always recommend going all in here. Being the first buyer means your investment is fully secured. Set the fee tier to 2%, then click Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction in Phantom. Once everything's locked in, jump back to Photon, set the filter to Raydium, and you'll spot your coin listed live and ready. From there, open up Dex Screener, drop in your token's address, and watch the trades and price action roll in real time. Open Dex Screener, drop in your token's address, and boom, your MemeCoin appears. Click it, let the chart load, and you'll see tiny trades popping off. Those are bots probing liquidity. No sweat, the real action's coming. While you wait, open Raydium, head to Portfolio, and hit the Standard tab. It shows your wallet balance, current positions, and lets you remove liquidity and lock in profits. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for your position to appear. Totally normal. You'll already notice the early buys hitting. Momentum's building fast. Meme coins on Raydium can spike fast, and your token's already climbing. Volume and interest are going up. Another big buy just hit the chart. Told you, timing's key. Getting in early matters. 2025 is still MemeCoin season, and there's money to be made if you're quick. Ready to cash out? Head back to Raydium's Portfolio tab, connect your wallet, and locate your position. Click minus, slide to 100%, and check the total below. If you're happy, hit Remove Liquidity and confirm. Boom, your funds land in your wallet like magic. Just opened Phantom, and yep, it's all there. Crazy how fast that works. Even better, you can repeat this method whenever you want. Just remember, this window might not stay open forever. Links to every tool I used, including BitLickSol, are in the description below. Full transparency, I'm not affiliated with any of these platforms. This video is not financial advice, it's purely for educational purposes. Join my Telegram and don't lose the opportunity.